Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML image maps. So quickly, let's get started. It's part of the HTML advanced elements. The image, we are talking about the image itself. The image is inserted using the image tag. If you haven't know anything about the image tag, you can watch some of our former tutorial where we discuss about the img tag in details. The only difference from other images is that you must add a usemap attribute. That is, the image tag, the img tag, is going to have src attribute, alt attribute, and again the usemap attribute, along with what? The usemap value, along with whatsoever value you want to put on your alt attribute, and also the image you are using in your source attribute. If you haven't know anything about the image tag, try to go back to one of our tutorials where we discuss about the image tag in details, the img tags in details. Today we are using the usemap attribute inside the img tag. So the usemap value starts with a hashtag. That is, it starts with what? With a hashtag, and followed by the name of the image map, and is used to create a relationship between the image and the image map. You can use any image as an image map. So let me show you how this works. Give you an example. Here we are talking about usemap attribute here along with the value. Back to our document. This is how it looks. Now when we click it, we are able to go to another place. When we click the phone, we are able to go another place. When we click the coffee also, we are able to go another place. When we click this empty place, you can see we are not able to click to direct to another place or any. But when we reach on top this laptop, we are able to go to another place. And this coffee also, let's say we are beside the coffee here. You see, when we click it, nothing clicks. When we click the phone, we are able to go another place. Now let me show you the codes. There is the codes. In our former tutorial, we have put this code here. So this is what is going on here right now. This usemap, if you don't have it here in your image tag, that is in your image tag here, if you don't have usemap attribute here, it's not going to work. Let's save it and reload our page. So now when we click on the image, can you see nothing is able to direct us to nowhere. We are not able to get direction to anywhere. To get direct to where? To anywhere. We are not able to direct ourselves to anywhere right here. As you can see, you click on it. But when you use the usemap attribute, along with the hashtag, along with the name on the map here, the name attribute on the map here, this work map here, let's copy it and now put it at the front of this usemap hashtag. Save it. Now go back to your document and reload it. Now let's see, when we click it, it's going to work. You can see hand on it also. You can see hand on the laptop, see hand on the phone, see hand also. You can see that on the coffee also. So when we click it, it's going to work. So when you click the surroundings, it's not going to work. Unless you click the thing we have specified in our map, as you can see. So I'm going to stop here right now. To be able to show you more things, you have to know about this. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you next time. Bye bye.